In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog on Wix. If you're looking to start a blog using Wix, you've come to the right place. We'll break down the process step by step so you can follow along and get your blog up and running smoothly. Let's kick things off by logging into your Wix account and opening up the editor for the website where you'd like to add your blog. Once you're in the editor, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here, you'll spot the option to add apps. Go ahead and click on that. This feature is where the magic happens, as it enables you to expand the functionality of your website by incorporating various apps. Type Wix blog into the search bar and hit enter to find the app. When you see the Wix blog app, click on Add to Site. This will integrate the blog feature into your existing site and get you ready for the next steps. After successfully adding the app, you'll notice a transformation within your site's menu. New elements, specifically the blog feed and blog post, will make their debut. This is where you'll start to shape your blog's identity with some customization. Click on the settings gear icon found on the blog feed element. This is your command center for tailoring the display, layout, and design of your blog. You have the liberty to tweak what information gets shown in each post, adjust the blog menu, and even decide how you'd like to label different categories. These tweaks are all about making your blog feel truly yours and ensuring it aligns with your brand or personal aesthetic. Moving on to content creation, it's time to dive into writing and sharing your thoughts with the world. Navigate to your site's dashboard and in the left panel, select Blog. This will guide you to a space where you can begin creating new posts. You'll see a button labeled Plus Create New Post. Click this to start drafting your first post. Begin with a captivating title, then move on to writing your content. Wix provides flexible formatting options and the ability to seamlessly integrate images and videos throughout your post, enhancing the visual appeal and engagement level. Before finalizing, it's crucial to consider your post settings. This area is vital for organizing your content through categories and tags and optimizing it for search engines with SEO settings. With these elements configured, you're almost ready to hit publish. Decide whether you'd like to save your post as a draft for further editing, schedule it to go live at a later date, or click Save and Publish to share it with your audience immediately. With these steps, you now have a functional blog on Wix, ready for the world to see. Enjoy creating content and connecting with your audience in your own unique online space.